Ever wanted to make your Google site look cleaner and more organized by hiding long content behind a Read More button? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. By the end of this guide, your visitors will enjoy a sleek, professional browsing experience. First, let's prepare your content. If your Read More button will link to additional information, create a dedicated page for that content. If it's linking to a specific section on the same page, make sure that section has a clear heading you can link to. This step ensures your readers know exactly where they'll be directed. Next, navigate to the page where you want the Read More button. Add a text box or content block to display a preview of your information. Then type your call to action text, something like Read More. Now let's turn that text into a clickable link. Highlight the Read More text and click the link icon in the toolbar. You can link it to another page on your site, a specific section on the same page, or even an external website. Once you've chosen your destination, hit Apply to finalize the link. If you want to make it stand out even more, Google Sites also has a dedicated button feature. Simply insert a button. Name it Read More. Link it to your chosen destination and adjust its style and position to match your page's design. Finally, don't forget to preview your page to make sure the button works perfectly. Once everything looks great, hit Publish to make it live. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional Read More button on your Google site that improves navigation and keeps your content organized. Try it out yourself and see how much more polished your site will look.